Welcome back to Tech Avro. Today in video 6 of our Google Drive series, we are exploring permission settings so you can control exactly what people can do with your shared files. Assigning the wrong role can lead to accidental file edits or deleted data. Let's break down the difference between viewer, commenter and editor so you stay in total control. Open Google Drive, right-click any file or folder, hover over Share and click Share. Look at the right side of the sharing setup window next to your invited contact or general access setting. Click the permission drop-down menu to see your 3 role options. Role number 1, Viewer. Select Viewer when you only want people to look at or read your file. Viewers cannot edit your document, leave comments or change any settings. Role number 2, Commenter. Select Commenter when you want feedback. Commenters can view your file and add suggestion notes or text comments, but they cannot directly modify your original content. Role number 3, Editor. Select Editor when collaborating with trusted teammates. Editors have full rights to modify content, delete files, accept or reject suggestions, and share the link with others. Pick your desired role, click Save or Done, and your sharing permissions are updated securely. If this permission breakdown gave you total control over your shared files, hit that like button and subscribe to Tech Avro. In video 7, we will solve how to fix access denied errors. See you there.